Welcome back. Let's do question 112. Factorize the following expression fully. So what we can do here, we can factorize by grouping in pairs. So we can start by factorizing the first two terms, and then we factorize the last two terms. If we check the first two terms, what's common there is 3x. So we can factor out 3x. And then 3x squared divided by 3x, it is x. And then positive 3px divided by 3x, you'll get p plus p. So it means we have what? We have x plus p inside the bracket. So here we said 3x squared divided by 3x, which is like 3 times x divided by 3x. You can also use laws of exponents here. X divided by x is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, we remain with x. And then 3p, x divided by 3x, x divided by x is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, we remain with p. Okay, so that's why we have x plus p there in the bracket. And then the last two terms, we factor out negative 2. We want to create a common bracket. So factor out negative 2m. Factor out negative 2m. So negative 2mx divided by negative 2m, we remain with x. Negative 2mx divided by negative 2m. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. M divided by m is 1. So we remain with x. Then negative 2mp divided by negative 2m is positive p. Okay, like negative 2mp divided by negative 2m. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. M divided by m is 1. We remain with p. See that? And then now we have a common bracket. X plus p and x plus p there in these two terms. So we can factor out the common bracket x plus p. Okay. And then if we say 3x, then x plus p divided by x plus p. Okay, we're saying 3x times x plus p divided by x plus p, we remain with 3x. And then negative 2m x plus p divided by x plus p. What you factor out, you divide the terms of the expression with. So x plus p divided by x plus p is what? We remain with negative 2m. Okay. Some people just say we take the common bracket, we write it. Take the common bracket, which is x plus p, write it there. And then you take this term, and then form your second bracket. Just do the other way, or we factorize like this. We can bring negative 2mx because they also have something common. 3x squared and negative 2mx. X is common there. You see that? We can say 3x squared minus 2mx. We're just grouping in pairs. Then plus 3px minus 2mp. Okay, this one I'll do it faster. So what's common here is x. So we say x. And then 3x squared divided by x is 3x. The negative 2mx divided by x is negative 2m. And then we have the last pair. Factor out what's common, p. Factor out p, positive p. Then 3px divided by p is 3x. Then negative 2mp divided by p is negative 2m. See that? So we have a common bracket here. We write it 3x minus 2m. And then we take this term, we form another bracket, x plus p. Do you see that it's just the same as this? X plus p times 3x minus 2m. It's just the same as that. So we factorize fully.